Jimmy with Truck Builders, and today I'll be giving a tutorial on this mobile library. Okay, so right off the bat to the left, you got your on and off switch for your lights. So that comes on automatically. Once you close the door, the lights turns off. And if it turns off, you can turn that on with this switch. And over here to the right, you got your Wi-Fi modem. Here's a little switch to it. Turn it on. You will get this little green light up here. Okay, so over down here, you have these clamp rings. All you want to do is, with your thumb, press it down. With your two fingers, index and middle finger, press it up to detach and attach easily. With these, you will get some straps over here to the left, as well as some triangle hazard warning sign. Okay, so for these shelves, to detach and attach, you will have this little lever. All you want to do is lift it up, push it forward, lift the second one up, and it should come out. So inside this vehicle, you will have your ABC fire extinguisher, and to the top right, you will have your first aid kit. In order to access the AC in the cabin, what you want to do is that the vehicle must be turned on, as well as you will have this little button down here with a little click. The AC in the back should turn on right away and start giving cold air. So back here, you got this ramp. In order to access this ramp, you want to open the door, and you will have this control module. Middle button powers it on. And in the middle where it says the original Tommy gate hydraulic lift, you want to double press it, and it will say lift activated. So now that will start, it will bring it down. Once it brings it down, you will have this little switch against the wall, and you want to press it at the same time. Before using the ramp, you want to make sure that you lower it, open the second door, lift it up, and you will have this handle on the side of the ramp. Pull it outwards, and from there you can just bring it down. Pull in the wheelchair, anything that you have to bring in, bring it back up. Put the little ramp down, and that's your access to the inside of the vehicle. And to put it away, just put the flat piece back on, close the ramp the same way you extended it out, slowly. I'm going to bring it down just enough for the door to close properly, and then just from there on, just bring it back up. For the ramp to be vertical, you want to press the switch up, as well as on the one that's on the wall. From there, you just press the middle button, and it turns off completely, and you're set to go. And with that, you want to make sure that the battery is charged on the vehicle in order to access this ramp.